everybody, it's Deborah from workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. Today's video is called How to Earn an Income Online at Home. I have been working online at home full-time since 2015, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly what I do, and I'm going to show you how I got my training. So thanks again so much for watching my video. If the video is valuable to you, please give it a like. It really helps YouTubers when you do that. And also, if you're not already a subscriber to this channel, I would love to have you on board. Thanks again. Let's go ahead and get into the video. How to earn an income online at home. I began searching for information on how to earn an income online at home way back around 2006. I hated my job and wanted to start my own business. I wanted to set my own hours, be my own boss, earn more money, and most importantly, I just wanted to stay home. In 2007, I got the courage to quit my job and started working at home online. I started with an eBay business, but a few years in, I realized it was becoming too much work. I was working 6 days a week and often well into the evenings. So I started searching again for how to earn an income online at home. That's when I discovered affiliate marketing. I spent money on an affiliate marketing course and got scammed. The website I built was a complete failure. In 2015, I got really tired of working so many hours a week at eBay, so I decided to give affiliate marketing another try. I'm glad I tried again because this time I found a company called Wealthy Affiliate. They aren't a scam. They're a legitimate company that teaches people step by step how to earn an income online at home with affiliate marketing. How to earn money online at home. Wealthy Affiliate offers a free starter membership that includes 20 free classes, 24/7 support, one free website, 50 plus training modules, and 2 training classrooms, plus the ability to earn commissions for referring people to Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate teaches you how to do affiliate marketing in 4 steps. Step 1, choose a niche or a topic. Step 2, create a website. Step 3, drive traffic to your website. And step 4, earn commissions or revenue. The topic I chose was animals. The website I created is called peoplelovinganimals.com. I'm giving you a link to it in the description box. I drive traffic to the website by creating quality content, specifically by writing articles all about the care, health, and training of dogs and cats. I became an affiliate for several products and services having to do with pets, and I promote those products and services within my articles. That's how I earn money. Speaking of articles, I'm sorry I forgot to tell you in the beginning of this video, this article that we're using from my website for today's video, I'm going to give you a link to this article in the description box. And anything that we talk about in the video as I'm going through this, I will give you the links to everything in the description box below. I'm sorry I forgot to mention that. So that's what I did with the free training. By the time I finished the free starter classes, I had my website, I was an affiliate for several products and services, I knew how to create quality content for my website, and I was earning money. And I'm going to give you a link to go ahead and start this free training if you decide that you want to. Within my article here, there's a little interrupt inviting you to subscribe to my email list. If you subscribe to my email list about once a week, you'll get an email from Work at Home Online for free. And it will be either an article or a blog post or a video or a full tutorial all about making money online. You can unsubscribe from that list at any time, but I think you'll find it valuable if you're looking to earn money online. Okay, back to the article. Wealthy Affiliates Affiliate Boot Camp. Also included in the free starter membership are the first 10 classes of a training course called Affiliate Boot Camp. This is a course specifically designed to teach you how to create a website to promote Wealthy Affiliate. You're on the website I built right now. WorkAtHomeOnlineForFree.com is the website that I built with the Affiliate Boot Camp training. You get 10 of the affiliate bootcamp classes within the free starter membership. By the time I was done with those, I had created my second website, this one, and was starting to create content to promote Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate pays us a large commission for referring others to Wealthy Affiliate. I'm quite passionate about promoting it because without Wealthy Affiliate, I'd likely be back at a 9 to 5 job and hating my life. I love the websites I have built. I love the work I do. Because of the training I received at Wealthy Affiliate, I actually like my job. And it turns out the biggest portion of my income from affiliate marketing comes from the commissions I earn promoting Wealthy Affiliate. And you can see what they pay us in my article here. I'm going to give you a link to my article, Highest Paying Affiliate Program, and it describes how that works. If you want to check that out, I'll give you the link in the description box. And again, I'm going to give you a link to go ahead and start this very same free training that I got. Wealthy Affiliates Premium Membership. Excuse me. Once I completed the free starter program, I knew I wanted to do affiliate marketing full time. So I updated to the premium membership and continued on with my training. I've been a premium member ever since. You can read my full overview with a video included of everything included in the premium membership. I'll give you the link. The premium membership includes 100 more additional classes. So it's going to be more classes in that beginner affiliate marketing training, and it's going to be more classes in the affiliate bootcamp training. Unlimited support, weekly live training webinars, 1,000 plus training modules, up to 10 websites, including your own domains. So if you've already been checking into this and you may have already created a website or you may have a blog, you can use your own domain within Wealthy Affiliate. 13 training classrooms, free access to JAAXY, which is a keyword research tool that normally costs $49 a month. If you're going to work online and make money online, you're going to need to learn about keyword research. So you may not know that now, but you'll eventually learn that this JAAXY being included in this membership is a big deal. Plus, when you're a premium member, you get double the amount for the commissions that you earn for referring people to Wealthy Affiliate. The premium membership is $19 for your first month and then $49 per month thereafter. You can cancel at any time, or you can save money by purchasing a full year's membership for $4.95. I'm going to give you a link all about that in the description box, and I'll also give you the link to go ahead and sign up for that full year if you choose to. Okay, make part-time money online. If you're just looking to earn a part-time income online, you can complete the training at Wealthy Affiliate and then plan to do the following. Number 1, create one website on a topic you're interested in. Number 2, become an affiliate for some products and services having to do with your topic. Number 3, write 1 or 2 articles a week about your topic and include your affiliate links. Number 4, post your content on at least one social media platform. If you're just going to do one, I would suggest either Facebook or Pinterest. And number 5, use search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO, strategies to get your content ranked in Google. The one important thing for you to know if you're going to try to make money online is that anybody can build a website and really anybody can create content, but it doesn't matter how beautiful your website is, and it doesn't matter how well written and valuable and informative your content is. If you don't know how to get it ranked in the search engines, no one will ever see it. And when I say ranked in the search engines, I mean when somebody goes to Google and searches for something, you get a whole list. Whenever you go to Google and you type, how to buy new sneakers, you get a whole list of articles and videos from Google on how to buy new sneakers. Well, yours needs to be one of those. All right. And if you don't know how to do that, you're never going to show up on that first page when somebody's searching, you see? So you're never going to get seen. So learning the search engine optimization strategies is a really important part of being successful working at home online. So I just wanted to point that out to you. And obviously that's included in your Wealthy Affiliate training. So if you're just looking to make a part-time income, that's what you would be doing. Creating your website, you're an affiliate for a few things, you're putting out some nice content, one or two articles a week, you're posting them on social media, and you're doing all the search engine optimization stuff, and you can earn a nice little part-time income with that. If you want to make a full-time income online like me, this is what I do for a living. Realistically, in order to quit your job and make a full-time income online, you'll need to create content at least 3 times a week, preferably 5 days a week, at least until you build your website's authority on your topic. You can continue with your one website if you choose something that you like and you build a website, or you can also create a second website to promote Wealthy Affiliate. Or you can, if you don't want to pick a topic on just something of your hobbies or something that you like, you can earn a full-time income with one website just promoting Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so those are kind of your options there. I personally work 5 days a week, and I split my time equally between my two websites. My first website, peoplelovinganimals.com, and this website that we're on today, workathomeonlineforfree.com. I also have 2 YouTube channels. That's optional. You don't have to do YouTube if you don't want to. I started doing it several months ago, and I like it. I'll probably keep doing it. Now, keep in mind that I've been doing this a while. I started my training at Wealthy Affiliate in August of 2015. I'm good at it now. And I've developed a great system for creating content, posting on social media, maximizing search engine optimization, and now I'm a new YouTuber. And I'm happy to report that I'm working at a level to earn a full-time income at home in about 25 hours a week. Okay, now, like I say, that I'm not new at this. I've been doing this a while, and it took me a few years to get to this level where I know what I'm doing, and I've got a good, efficient system in place for all the tasks that I need to do. And at this point, I'm able to have a full-time job that consists of 20 to 25 hours a week. So that might be your ultimate goal, to kind of end up there. Now, affiliate marketing job description. If you're interested in seeing exactly what this job entails, at least the way I do it, you can read my article called Affiliate Marketing Job Description, What I Do Every Day as an Affiliate Marketer, or you can watch my video to see exactly what I do each day. It's here in this article, and I'll give you the link in the description box. That's a more detailed video of, like, what does this look like? It's like, okay, you're an affiliate marketer, you have these 2 websites, you create content, like what? What does this look like? So if you want to go ahead and watch that video, I think you'll enjoy it. If you're looking to earn money, earn income online at home, that's, affiliate marketing is certainly something you can do to accomplish that, and that video will show you what it actually looks like. So how to earn an income online at home. I hope that this has helped. If you want to learn how to work at home and make money online, affiliate marketing is certainly a way you can accomplish that and actually enjoy it. I earn income online doing something I love, and I personally will never return to a 9-to-5 job. Earning money online at home has so many benefits. It has flexible part-time hours, unlimited income, no boss or coworkers to deal with. My recommendation, if you want to learn how to make an income online, is to sign up for the free starter membership at Wealthy Affiliate. Check it out. Do the 10 free classes. See if you like it. There's no risk in trying it. You can read my full review of Wealthy Affiliate. I'll give you the link to my review. And good luck in your quest to earn money at home online. I hope you end up liking it as much as I do. So again, thanks so much for watching my video. Again, if you were informed at all in this, if this benefited you at all, I would really appreciate it if you give the video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. I do videos all the time all about making money online. I'd love to have you on board to my email subscriber list. I'll give you the link to that in the description, and I'll give you the link to all the information about Wealthy Affiliate and the link to go ahead and start this free training that I'm talking about. Again, if you want to earn income online at home, I have been doing this since 2015. This is what I do. I personally like it. So if this sounds interesting to you, go ahead and give it a try. And I would love it if you would come back and comment and let me know. First of all, I'd be interested to know what topic you choose. If you decide to do a website on a topic that you choose, I'd love to find out what you decided your website's going to be about. And I'd like to know what your experience is with Wealthy Affiliate if you go ahead and try it. So again, I hope I've helped. My name is Deborah, and my website is workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks again. Bye-bye.